So you're trying to add value to somebody and you want to build this in a defensible way so you can build this up sustainably or long term, especially if you're a small bootstrap company. For people on this board, what do you recommend? Things that you would recommend we do or we do not do so that we don't get steamrolled by big companies like foundational companies or other ones?
It is tough. A better way to say it is my crystal ball gets foggy not too far out. With Waymark, I think we've done well. I have some sense why that is, but then I also have some real doubt as to like how that may play out in the future and you know, just how sustainable is that for the long term. A lot of people have come into the space and said something similar. They're like, hey, maybe we can get AI to create videos. I think what those new entrants have missed is you actually do need the stuff we started with. You need a well-designed template library because the AIs, at least for now, are not able to create something from nothing that's awesome. They are very good and increasingly approaching excellent at filling in a template in a way the user likes. Similarly, people almost always see something in what the AI creates for them that they're like, even if they think this is awesome, they'll usually have a couple things where they're like, but I do want to change that and that. You need at the highest level, it's bringing a certain level of taste, understanding what we're trying to do and what good looks like into the product. In our case, the template library. And then the low level of like those final changes where they can get exactly what they want. Those things are really important. I see a lot of products missing those, especially if they came in as part of the AI wave. How long this holds is tough to say. With Sora, ChatGPT, you can imagine saying, hey, ChatGPT, here's my website. Make me 30-second TV commercial. Maybe it can get smart enough that it can just do that whole thing and just do it all in pixel space and make it awesome. But I think that's still a bit out. And it's unclear how much the folks at big companies care about that sort of thing. I don't think anything is off the table, but you probably have a while before those things will emerge. But again, if they get really good at coding to spin up things on demand, who knows? Maybe everything collapses to the cost of inference. Maybe even in a future state, ChatGPT could like spin up a Waymark app. It can both like call Sora for footage, handle layers, set fonts into videos and all those sorts of things. It can write the code to do those things in a programmatic way so it can recreate our experience. Then you maybe have some price pressure. If people expect and legitimately experience that any set of software tools can be easily spun up through simple commands through a model, then we're headed for a world of abundance, I guess.